Welcome to this immaculate ranch-style home located on 80 acres of land just 2 miles north of Briggsdale, Colorado. The property has been built with the equine enthusiast in mind, with no details spared. Featuring a spacious layout, this 2,280 square foot home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an office space. Step inside and be greeted by the charm of wood doors and a wood ceiling in the living room area. The primary bedroom is spacious and features a walk-in closet and fully remodeled bathroom with hickory cabinets, while the kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances and opens up to a dining area perfect for hosting family gatherings or entertaining guests. One of the highlights of this property is its outdoor living space. Enjoy the breathtaking views and tranquil sunrises and sunsets from the full-length porches. With a solar system and backup generator in place, you can enjoy uninterrupted electricity and save on monthly utility bills. For those with horses or livestock, there's a 10-stall all-steel barn measuring 40 by 117 feet. The barn includes a tack area, wash area, and spacious turnouts for your animals. Fencing on the property is immaculate, and there are several loafing sheds as well. There's also a large overhang that provides protection from the elements for all your vehicles and equipment. Located in a peaceful rural setting, this property offers privacy and serenity while still being conveniently close to amenities. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this exceptional property in Briggsdale. For your own personal qualified showing, call Jake Highland today at 970-227-8990.